Well, good afternoon, my friends. I am here on vacation and wanted to take the time to share with you a couple of the questions I am continuously being asked. Number one, yes, always connect to your office or to do any work with either an encrypted or through a VPN connection. There's no ifs, ands, or buts. No matter what Wi-Fi you use, how expensive your hotel might be, or what you do, make sure that you use a VPN or a secure encrypted vehicle to connect to your office. The second thing is, don't share information in a public Wi-Fi that you really don't need to. So if it's completely necessary and you need to do some work on your phone or on your laptop, think about it twice. Now, this assumes that your laptop is already encrypted and that if you were to lose your laptop, nobody can get into your data, your passwords. Lastly, are you saving your passwords in your browser? That's a big no-no. Try to use a password manager. It is imperative that you use something that will keep that information in an encrypted format. Understand that if they break into your computer, they can get that information. Well, thanks for listening. Remember, like this message and subscribe to our YouTube channel. This is Elon Sredny, President and CEO of Palindrome Consulting while on vacation. Thank you.